All right, this is the second part of the reverse stamping tutorial using Creative Shop Plate 99 that I just got for review. And on my nails, I have a coat of black, okay, that I have prepped with a coat of nail foil glue. I like using nail foil glue a lot for reverse stamping and decals and what have you, because it's really sticky and you don't have to worry about the timing of it, and it's just really easy. It applies super thin, and so it's not another layer of polish. I mean, you can use top coat, you can use a sticky base coat like Orly Bonder. There are a lot of different things that you can use to apply decals or do reverse stamping, but I just prefer nail foil glue. I've also put some liquid latex around my finger. This is Manny Defender from Lantern and Wren, sent to me for review. And if you saw my last video, so this is what the decal looks like after it's been colored in. And I like doing it on clear stampers because you can see if you've missed any spots, and then if you have and don't correct them, you can see where to place it so that you're not placing those empty spots someplace. On my other nails, I have applied them and done some cleanup. So now I'll show you how I do that on my thumb. So on my thumb, this decal is pretty good, so I can mostly place it wherever I want. And I just push down firmly, and the whole thing should just stick. There might be a few bumpy spots if you didn't apply the polish or whatever you use to color in perfectly, but overall that should go down pretty easily. And so what I'm doing is taking this tool, which I got off eBay, and I really wish it was either eBay or AliExpress, and I really wish I knew where I got it, because I would like to pick up another one of these, but I don't know where I got it. And it's just a sharp-edged plastic acrylic tool, and for me, it's been a lifesaver. And when I do these types of manis, I can just cut away the excess decal. And hopefully I've gotten it. It's really harder to do this on camera, but so then the excess bit comes off. Then I take if there's a little bit under the nail, like there is, I will take cuticle scissors and just cut away the excess. Right. Then I take some acetone using my favorite cleanup brush, the Fab Your Nails Kolinsky Angular cleanup brush that I also got from Lantern and Wren for review. And I just go in and I clean up any excess bits. And this also helps make sure the free edge is good. I got a little bit of wrinkling there, but top coat should smooth that away. Okay. So now I haven't tested this part out yet, so you guys are going to see if this works the same time I am. So I told you in my first part video of this that I used magnetic polishes, the Corazon Kaleidoscope Interstellar Cats, 4 of them, to color in the decals, to reverse stamp, whatever you want to call it. So now I'm going to apply top coat here and see if I can get the magnetic effect to show up. I'm not positive it will, because I don't know if it's a thick enough coat of magnetic polish to have much of an effect, if any. So this is going to be interesting. And I'm just making sure to get top coat along the edges there, because I want to make sure. Oh, and that works great, actually. That was enough polish. So I think you can see that. And I'm really happy with that. So I'm gonna do my other nails here real quick. But as you can see, that didn't take long at all to get the magnetic effect to show up, which is really nice. And I'm just sort of going along the other diagonal, since that image is sort of diagonal in one direction. I'm going the opposite direction. And then this one, if you notice, came out sort of frosted, matte looking. And I was using my clear jelly stamper Big Bling, the head that I have made a little frosted with pigment stamping. And I don't know if that's why it did that. I used all clear stampers, and that was the only one that turned out like that. So I'm thinking that that's the reason, but I don't honestly know. And as I was doing this mani, I realized why I so rarely do reverse stamping, because it's really time consuming and really quite tedious. So it's not my favorite by any means, but the effect is very cool and worth the effort the majority of the time. I think I'm just lazy, but anyway. I quite like doing this with the magnetic polishes. So there you go. Thanks for watching.